Hi, and today I'm going to show you how to make a clicker game, which is based on you clicking the screen and getting upgrades. Yeah, that's kind of it. So, this cat is not a coin. We want a coin, so just get rid of him. You don't need this. Just get a circle, make it look like a coin. Make it kind of yellow. And give it an outline. Kind of like, yeah, that'll do. And hold shift when making circles and it'll make it a perfect circle. Get text, click that, and then do like pound, dollar, whatever it is, I guess, and then make it black. And then drag that to the middle, center it over that, and then it'll lock on. So it's perfect. There you go, there's our coin. You can just name this coin. We go here, forever, if. So we want if they are holding the mouse over and then they click. So if a mouse down and touching mouse pointer. So it's just to simulate a click, kind of. I'm gonna just rename this variable to when the game starts. We're gonna set the money to 0. Then if touching mouse button mouse down, change money by 1. I show this. You see there's no cooldown, so I can just hold it and get infinite money, which is a bit of a problem. So we need you to take your mouse off and then click again. So you have to do in each individual click. You can't just hold it. So go to control, wait until not duplicate this. Now try it. You have to click every time. Holding it won't do anything. I'm gonna still want you to be able to drag it. So forever go to 0, 0. And map does a bit of a costume bug, so we'll just make it a bit bigger. Kinda like, yeah, that'll do. So now the basic premise is here. So what I like to do is go to variables, and I'm pretty sure, wait, if we right click, large, yeah, like this. I like doing that, but I guess that's just preference. Right, there we go. So you want me to be able to upgrade. So we're gonna make a new sprite. Get like a box. You don't need to hold down shift, it can be a rectangle if you want. Get some text. Make it black. Just right up. Also make this look a bit nicer, so we could do that, and then it's a bit too big. There we are. Wait, no, I don't want the whole thing. I just want this slightly smaller. Right, there we go. Now we can just go here and then put this in here, and then take out that. And instead of going to 0, 0, you can go to, say, minus 150. y minus 150. Oh no, let's just do positive. Down a bit. 20. Okay, that's perfect. So if touching mouse down, we want to check that we have enough money. Let's go to this. If money, and then we're gonna want greater than, let's say, for now we can just make it like 5. Actually no, let's make a new variable and make amount to upgrade. Like that. And then when flag clicked, we want to set amount to upgrade to 5. And then drag amount to upgrade in here. So if we have more money than needed, we can do, we want to take away amount of upgrade money. So change money by amount to upgrade. And then we want it to be like this. Oh, I know. Hold on. Okay, no, it's fine. That way. Then change money by amount to upgrade. And we'll just do -5. That saves all that hassle. And now, if this happens, it should, yeah, it's taking our money. But when we're at 5, we can't click it, and I think that's because it has to be greater. Instead of greater, we can do or equal to. If money is greater than 5, or money equals 5. Okay. Get 5. Okay, yeah, there we go. And let's go variable times upgraded. Yeah, we'll show actually, and we'll make it a big one right there. And then we're gonna set times upgraded to 0 when the game starts. And then on the upgrade thing, we're gonna change times upgraded by 1. There you go. And we also don't want you to be able to just spam upgrades, so get this, put it in there, and snap it on the bottom. So this should, yeah, there you go. If we get 7, yeah. And now we want your money to go up more. So we want to change money by times upgraded. So if we set this to 1 at the start, change money by times upgraded. And then when that gets changed to 2, we should be earning 2. Now 3, yeah. Now we're earning a lot more at a time. So next time we're going to be making it so as you get more money, it costs more to upgrade, and you can get different types of upgrade. You can also click lots of different things. So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.